Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to start a very new tutorial series on Java programming. Java is one of the most popular programming languages in the world right now. If you think about the first, second, third positions holding right now in programming industry, I'll say right now Python is in the first place, and second is JavaScript, and in the third position Java programming language. Actually, Python is becoming more and more popular, and still Java is holding its third position since long. Whatever, if you can become expert in any programming language, not only Java, JavaScript, Python, Ruby, PHP, C#, C++, whatever the programming language is, still you will have a good job if you can become expert in any programming language. Okay, let's start with Java programming. I'll double click on Eclipse IDE. Eclipse IDE is integrated development environment where we can code Java programming. Okay, I double click and Eclipse is being opened. Today I'm going to show you just how we can create a Java project, and inside the project how we can create folders and necessary files, and we will write our first Java programming code. Just go to File and go to Project and choose Java project, as we are going to create a Java project. Then click on Next. Okay, and name of the project is Java Fundamentals, say for example. Then I'll click on Next, then click on Finish, and here is a project inside Package Explorer, Java Fundamentals, and inside the Java Fundamental project we have Java Runtime Environment System Library, where we have lot of jar files or packages, and we have also src folder. Src means source folder, and inside the source folder, this source folder is nothing but a folder, empty folder. We are going to create another folder, we call it package in Java, and package name should be always in small cap. I'll say Java Basic. Okay, Java Basic, and a package has been created. Inside the package we will have Java class, as name of the class will be always capital. Okay, name of the class is car, and I'm not taking main method. Okay, if I want I can create one, but I'm not taking it. Then click on Finish. Okay, so the name of the package is Java Basic, and inside Java Basic we have car class. The name of the class is car, and name of the class will be always in capital. And this class is, this public is keyword, Okay, it is an access modifier. It can be public, it can be private, whatever we want. Actually, access modifier can be also default, and we will learn later on in detail. Just now, remember, public is a keyword in Java, and class also keyword. To create a class, we need class keyword, then name of the class, and it must be in capital. Okay, and Java contains .java extension for its file name. Okay, and file name will be always in capital, since this file name will become the name of the class. And inside car class, we have two curly braces, one opening curly braces and closing curly braces, and inside the curly braces we have this car class scope. Okay, from here to there. Okay, and I can say integer is int. To declare and define a variable, we have to tell what kind of data it is, and this data is integer. Integer is complete number. Okay, integer a equal to, say for example, 500, and every code of Java ends with termination called semicolon. Okay, then int b is equal to 20. Okay, that's all. And if we want, we can also say int c equal to a plus b. Okay, and we don't have actually any class. We have class, sorry, we don't have main method. So to bring a main method, what I can do, I can just type main, then press Ctrl spacebar. Okay, and main method is here. Okay, and inside the main we can put this, and it will become local variable. Let's not think about local and global variable right now. Then I can just type CSO, then press Ctrl spacebar, and it will be auto completed. System.out.println. Println is inbuilt method that is used in Java programming to display our output. I can say a, and I can say CSO Ctrl spacebar, then b, then again CSO, press Ctrl spacebar, and c, and just save it with Ctrl S, and we can run this Java program. Just clicking right button, then go to run as, and click on Java application, and now we can see the output. A is 500, B is 20, and C is A plus B 500. Even if we want to present it nicely, we can say A is okay. We can print the output like this if you want. Okay, print A is 500. Okay, even we can put space here if we want. Then we can say B is the same way we can do it. Okay, and if we don't want to print it, even we can create another class. Okay, and from another class we can access all these properties, fields, attributes from car class. Okay, how? Let me create another class, and the name of the class is, I can say, car test. Okay, and here I can say I choose this public static void main method, click finish, and now we have also main method. The name of the class is car test. We are going to test the car method. Okay, since there is no main method, without main method we cannot execute data program, sorry, Java program. So we create car test class, and we create also main method. Actually it is inbuilt method, we didn't create it. By default it is with Java programming, and I can just create object here. Okay, name of the class is car. Okay, just a minute. Car class, and c1 equal to new. When I use new keyword and say car, this is object, a new object has been created, and c1 is the reference variable to new car object. Okay, now we can just say so control spacebar, and object reference variable is c plus dot. When we use dot operator, we can access all the methods and function of the class. Okay, now I want to access a okay, I can actually access the attributes. Okay, how? I can just create object, then I just use this object and dot operator. Okay, then right button click, let's see whether we can access it. Okay, it's 500. Okay, a is 500, we know a is 500. Same way we can also access so control spacebar c1 dot b. The same way we can also access c1 dot c. Okay, just click here. Wonderful. And even if we want to define and declare new attributes or properties for car test, even we can access it. Say for example string name, and name of the car is, say for example, Tesla. Okay, or Tesla. Okay, and we can say CISO, control spacebar, and actually we have to create another class, and name of the class will be car tests, because this attribute is to this class. Car tests equal to city, okay, equal to new car tests, and now we can say city dot name. Okay, let's see whether we can access it or not. Dot name, what is saying? Let's check. Name cannot be resolved or is not a field. Okay, city, car test, and let's see. Java application, it will throw an exception because it says name, create a field name type car tests. All right, so there is exception. Okay, actually we have to create this variable here as a global variable. Okay, and now I can save it and just right button click, and I hope it will run now. All right, this is Tesla. Okay, Tesla. Okay, fine, that's all for today. So we learn to create Java project, and inside the source folder inside Java project we create Java basic another folder, we call it package. Actually package is nothing but a folder, and inside the package we create car.java class. Okay, and we also create main method here, but we remove it so that we can also execute it from another class, and we create object, then we access all the properties here, creating object. So the purpose of creating object is to access the properties, fields, and attributes of a class. Okay, even we can access the methods if we want to. Say for example, if I create a method speak car does not speak, it can run, right? Method in any programming language, method or function is block of codes that only run when it is called by name. Okay, I can say so the car is running. Okay, and how I can access this method, how we can access this method, the same way we access the properties, we can also access the method. I can say ct or c1 dot, I say run, right? Run method and colon. Okay, so c1 is object, reference variable to the object. Okay, then using this c1 dot operator, then run, name of the method is run. Okay, run. So we are calling this run method by name. I can just run the Java program and the car is running. Okay, same way, even if I create n number stop n number method, not only 2 methods, I can create 100 methods here. Okay, and the car stops. Okay, I can go to car test and I can say c1 stop method. Excuse me. Now execute the tests. I can run from here also. Okay, the car stops. I can even run from here. Right button click, run as Java application. Okay, thus we can execute Java program. Remember, every class has two states. One is state and another one is behavior. The properties, fields and attributes are state. Okay, state, and the methods are behavior of the class. The car has two different characteristics. One is its state. States are properties, fields and attributes, and behavior is the methods and functions. All right, that's all for today. If you understand it, you are very good to understand the core concept of any programming language. If you understand it, you will understand from next tutorial whatever I teach about Java programming. Okay, so thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. If you like it, please don't forget to subscribe the YouTube channel. I will discuss here Java from scratch, from A to G, and I will also discuss some other programming languages like Python, C# and Ruby. And after understanding the programming language up to at least object-oriented programming, I will also discuss here test automation or QA automation or software development engineering in test or software testing. Okay, thank you so much. See you in the next tutorial.